Namaskar. In this, I'll be explaining you about the De Morgan's law by using the properties of sets over here. Now, the first law over here, that's the A union B complement of it is equal to complement of A intersection complement of B over here. Now, how you'll be proving over here by using the properties of set? You can consider a X as any arbitrary element such that it belongs to complement of A union B. Now, when I have written X belongs to A union B complement of it, so can I write down X does not belongs to A union B? Because if it is the element of its complement, so definitely it is not a element of its original set over there. Now, due to this union, when X does not belongs to A union B, so we are getting X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Because we know that when we are having a element in a union of two set, so either it is an element of one set or second set or both. So by this we are getting a confirmation that it is not an element of A as well as of B. That's why due to that reason I have put a AND over here. Now when X does not belongs to A and X does not belongs to B, can I write down X belongs to A dash? That's a complement of A and X belongs to complement of B. So it implies X belongs to A dash also and it belongs to B dash also. So therefore X belongs to A dash intersection B dash. So when I in the starting I have taken X as an element of this, and in the last I am able to prove X is an element of complement of A intersection of complement of B. So therefore this is a subset of this. So I can write down complement of A union B is a subset of complement of A intersection complement of B. So when you want to prove that these two are equal, so in the first part what I have done, I have proved this is a subset of this. Now I will be proving this is a subset of this. For that again I have to do the same thing what I have done over here. Similarly, let y be in any arbitrary element such that y belongs to complement of A intersection complement of B. That means y belongs to A dash and y belongs to B dash. It means y does not belongs to A and y does not belongs to B. So it means y does not belongs to A union B. So it means y belongs to complement of A union B. So by this what I am able to prove that complement of A intersection complement of B is a subset of A union B complement of it. So from equation number 1 and 2, this is a subset of this and this is a subset of this. So when we have proved LHS is a subset of RHN and RHS is a subset of LHS, so therefore these two sets are equal. Now coming to the second law over here, that's the A intersection B complement of it is equal to complement of A union complement of B. The same way I will be doing this also. I have taken X as be any arbitrary element such that X belongs to A intersection B complement of it. It means X belongs to A intersection B. It means does not belongs to A or X does not belongs to B. So it means X belongs to A dash or X belongs to B dash, which implies X belongs to A dash union B dash. So this is first equation. Similarly, I'll be taking the RHS over here and proving that it is a subset of a LHS over here. So I have taken a Y as an arbitrary element such that Y belongs to A dash union B dash. It implies Y belongs to A dash or Y belongs to B dash. It implies y does not belongs to A or y does not belongs to B, which implies y does not belongs to A intersection B. So when it does not belongs to A intersection B, so definitely this y belongs to its complement. So from this is your equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, I have proved that this is a subset of this and this is a subset of this. So it means these two are equal. Now coming to the third law over here, this is a property over here. Now what is this property? In this property it is A minus B can be written as A intersection B dash. A minus B can be written as A intersection B dash. Basically this you will be using in the questions directly there. So let x belongs to a minus b. It implies x belongs to a because when x is an element of a minus b, so it is confirmed x is an element of a and x is not an element of b. So it implies x belongs to a and x belongs to b dash. It implies x belongs to A intersection B dash over here. Is that clear? When I am able to prove that x belongs to this over here, so what I have indicated that A minus B is a subset of A intersection B dash. That is step you can write. Now let y be any other arbitrary element such that y belongs to A intersection B dash. So it implies y belongs to A and y belongs to B dash over here because it's the intersection. So y belongs to A and y does not belongs to B because y belongs to the complement of B. So it is confirmed y does not belongs to B over here. When y is the element of A and y is not the element of B, so it is confirmed y belongs to A minus B. So by this what I am able to get that this is a subset of this. So from equation 1 and 2 what I have done, I have proved that A minus B is a subset of A intersection B dash and A intersection B dash is a subset of A minus B. So therefore A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. Thank you so much.